To hide status bar icon for unread notification when DND or Do Not Disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification and then tap the gray on off switch next to hide status bar icon until the switch turns blue to turn this option on. To see how it works, turn on Do Not Disturb. You can enable it either from the quick panel or from the Do Not Disturb menu. As the example, we will enable it from the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top right of the screen to open up the quick panel. Find the Do Not Disturb button and then tap the button to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, when you are receiving a new notification, as the example, a new message from WhatsApp, you can see that your phone will not display the app icon of the new notification on your status bar. As a note, this option will automatically enable when you set your phone to hide new notification from showing up in the notification panel when the Do Not Disturb mode is on. Also, this setting will be applied during the Do Not Disturb mode only. In other words, once the Do Not Disturb mode is off, you can see that your phone will display the app icon of the unread notification on your status bar. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.